Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Trailblazer key fob here. It works for these models 2021 and 2023 and you don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032 and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. But the first thing we need to do is turn the key over like this, and here on the back we need to remove this piece, this full piece. And the easiest way to remove it is just take your small flat screwdriver and just insert the tip right here, only the tip, insert it, push down, twist it a little bit, now lift up, and this way you can very easily remove this back piece like this. So when you remove the back piece like this, right after that, here you will see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, again it's very easy, take the small flat screwdriver again, insert the tip here, and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just insert your new battery, and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. So this step here is very important. And now when you place the battery here, take this back piece again, make sure you align it perfectly like this. All corners to match perfectly, everything have to snap together, everything have to match perfectly, and just snap them together. And when you do that, right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.